Welcome to the Chiclet bubblegum production line, where speed, precision and quality come together to create the perfect chew. It all starts with the sugar grinder. Here, coarse sugar is finely milled into powder, the ideal texture for smooth mixing and uniform flavor distribution. Next, the powdered sugar moves to the bubblegum mixer. Combined with gum base, glucose syrup, softeners and flavors, the ingredients are blended into a smooth, consistent gum mass, ready for shaping. From there, the mass is transferred to the bubblegum extruder. Heated and pressurized, the gum is formed into continuous sheets or ropes. The extruder ensures perfect density, flexibility, and form. The rope then enters the chiclet forming line, where it's cut and molded into uniform chiclet pieces. High-speed rollers guarantee consistent size and shape, minimizing waste and maximizing throughput. Immediately after forming, the gum enters the three-step cooling tunnel. In the first stage, temperature is gently reduced to avoid cracking. The second stage stabilizes the structure. And in the final stage, the chiclets are cooled to the perfect temperature for coating and packaging. Once cooled, the chiclets move into the coating and polishing units. Sugar or sugar-free coatings are applied in multiple layers, then polished to a smooth, glossy finish, delivering both crunch and shine. Finally, the finished gum is conveyed to the packaging line, where it's automatically sorted, wrapped and sealed, ready for market. From raw ingredients to finished product, this complete line delivers speed, reliability and product excellence every step of the way. Built for continuous operation and easy maintenance, the Chiclet bubblegum line is your turnkey solution for high-efficiency production. Innovate your process, enhance your brand. Choose the Chiclet bubblegum line.